Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Welcome to my night routine. It is currently nighttime, meaning I'm gonna do my night routine now and take you guys along for the journey. I'm gonna do this like vlog style. I'm not gonna do like aesthetic style because I'm not very good with like aesthetic things. So I'm just gonna take you guys along and show you what I do at nighttime. I'm gonna set you up. I have a tripod now. Okay, it's about 8 p.m. which is normal time that I get home on like normal days, I guess. It is Friday though. Mina G just had dinner and now I'm home and I'm gonna get ready for bed. Normally when I get home, I like to get everything done before I shower and like fully get comfy. Otherwise, I'm very less likely to get stuff done. So like my dish in here from my breakfast this morning, I let it soak because it's my oatmeal and I have to clean. Before I get into the video, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Also follow my socials. They will be on the screen like normal and down below. I'm wearing like kind of crazy makeup today because I filmed a video this morning and I still haven't taken it off yet. So yeah, I'm excited to take my makeup off because it's been on all day. So I'm gonna clean my dish. It just sticks. My oatmeal sticks to the pan. It's like kind of satisfying to like watch it come off, see? Hey, I just finished my dish and I want to show you guys something before I like go in my room. But look at the coffee table. She's so cute. Okay, disregard our unbuilt chair, but look how pretty this coffee table is. I don't know if this is gonna stay here because I want to fill this with like little mini baby pumpkins, and then I have like some coffee table books coming to put that on top. It's not complete. I just kind of like put things there. So she's so cute with the pretty little flowers. But we're getting closer and closer to doing a full apartment tour, so stay tuned. I can't get over myself with this eye makeup, and like my face makeup is just not there anymore. So I fully planned on putting this away today. This mess, like I'll deal with that Friday night, and it's currently Friday night and I don't want to deal with this. So this is basically just a bunch of new clothes that I've gotten and haven't put away. Not sure if I should actually deal with it or if I should just leave it there. That's what Sundays are for. Sundays are for cleaning up things. So I'll see you later. When the lights are off, it's not even there anymore. You know what I mean? I wanted to show you guys some things that I got from Amazon. So I order stuff from Amazon all the time. Actually, I'm going to be doing a video all the things I got from Amazon. But I was waiting for this package. So basically it said it got delivered yesterday, and then I looked and it wasn't there, and I was like, oh great, like my first stolen package. Amazing. I called my mom because that's what I do when something doesn't go right, and she was like, oh wait for today, like things, like maybe it got delayed, but it didn't say that. I don't know. I emailed the seller. I was about to call UPS because apparently they said UPS delivered it. And apparently it went to the wrong apartment number. So like on the package it says a different apartment number than mine, but I always put the same address on every Amazon order. Like I never changed the address. They messed up and put a different apartment number. So the office called me and was like, somebody gave us a package. I basically just got zip up hoodies. Nothing too crazy. I needed a new white zip up because mine is just absolutely damaged. And then I was like, oh, it's fall, like I want a new color. What color should I get? And I was like, let's get a green. But I was like, I feel like this would be cute, like biker shorts. Oh my gosh, guys, when I tell you, like my heart just skipped a beat. My air condition turned on and like I'm home alone and I got so scared. Both an extra large. I'll also put this in my Amazon video because I got some cool stuff. I thought of another thing I could show you guys. My new little set from Kim Kardashian's brand. It's baby pink, obvi. How cute. Little shorts and a little bra. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Okay, I'm currently in the bathroom now. I'm using a ring light because the light in my bathroom is so loud, like because it's a fan also. Before I get in the shower, I always like take off my makeup. I don't use makeup wipes anymore because it's like really harsh for your skin. So I just take it off with this and then take the rest off with my cleanser. But yeah, I just take it off with a cloth that specifically is meant for take off your makeup. So now I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I'm gonna do my skincare when I get out. I'm not gonna take you guys in the shower with me because that's like slightly inappropriate. I'll see you guys after. I'm out of the shower, I'm clean, I'm fresh, I'm ready for the night. Not like completely ready, like I'm getting there. Like this is a process. I didn't like wash my face in the shower because I wanted to show you guys my skincare. So I'm using Curology and I'm actually going to hand it over to Emily from the past because she kind of like lets you guys know more about it. So I'm just gonna cue her. Phoning a friend. Hey guys, it's Emily from the past and I want to tell you guys a little bit more about my skincare routine before I actually show you what I do. All of today's products are Curology. I've been using Curology for about over 3 months now, and actually today's video is sponsored by Curology, so shout out to Curology. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I actually love Curology so much and I can't wait to tell you guys a little bit more. When I was younger, I had pretty bad acne because I would play sports and sweat and wear makeup when I sweat, so it was just really bad and it left me with pretty bad dark spots and blemishes, and I've been looking everywhere for products that would help my blemishes, some harsh products. I didn't know what to do. I came across Curology and I found that they have customized formulas specifically for everyone's skin needs. So right before I sleep, I use their face wash, which is this. I use this every morning and night, and then I go in with my specific formula. The good thing about Curology is that it's super easy. You go online, you fill out a quick skin quiz, you upload some selfies, and you then are paired with a dermatology provider who creates a custom formula for your needs. So then after I use my customized formula, I then lock it in with the moisturizer. Also, if I'm having any skin concerns or say the formula is not working right or something like that, that is why the dermatology provider is so amazing, because you can just reach out and they will help you with any of your questions or concerns. These are actually the full size, but you can get a free trial of Curology with the customized formula, which is like the most important part. This is just everything. All you have to pay is shipping and handling, which is $4.95. So to get your free trial today, go to the link in the description and sign up. So now I'm gonna go to future Emily and she'll show you her full skincare routine with how she puts everything on and just get all that good stuff. Thank you, Emily from the past, and now I want to show you guys how I use everything. So this is a cleanser, the Curology cleanser. You guys know what a cleanser is. I'm just gonna wet my face really quick, don't mind me. Okay, and then I'm putting some of the cleanser, good amount on. I want to make sure all of the dirt is leaving my skin. Feels so good to wash your face after like a long day. Once she's dried and clean, I'm gonna use my special formula that I talked about, where it's like customized for you. Like, I feel so special. Little pump, rub her all over my skin. You really want to like make sure it gets everywhere. I personally like to really like pat it in, because like the warmth of your hands really like makes the product work in. I want to just like fan that. I've just always done this just to make sure it's like really in there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna top it off with the moisturizer. She really provides good moisture. Oh yes, it feels so good. And now my skin feels so clean and like I'm so ready to just hop in bed and like I know my skin's being taken care of, and there's no better feeling. I know past Emily talked to you guys, but don't forget, you can get a trial size of Curology for free. All you have to do is pay $4.95 for shipping and handling, which is the best. Thank you again, Curology, for sponsoring this video. Normally I would brush my teeth right now, but I want to make some tea because I had a pretty big meal. I want to like make some mint tea to digest better. I don't know if that makes sense, because I feel like it really helps me. So in case you guys were wondering, this is the fit of the night. Yeah, these shorts are huge on me. I meant to return them, never did. It's fine. Things happen, but I think it goes cute with this sweater. Let's make some tea. I'm using an electric kettle. I always use an electric kettle. That's what we have, and it's just so easy. I have mint. I have a throat coat. Lemon ginger. Another lemon ginger, and then a green with probiotics, but I think this has caffeine. I kind of want like green without caffeine. I think this one is decaf. We're gonna do green tea today. It's decaf, so it won't like keep me up. So I'm gonna put it in this mug. I'm gonna let that steep. I got like a few new candles. I got this one from Bath and Body Works. This is Marshmallow Fireside. I lit this in my last vlog. It's the best. It smells like a literal fireside, but I got this new one. I really want to try it. Adia gave it to me and I've heard good things about it, so maybe we'll light her today. Such a long stem. We're just gonna let her chill and smell good. At night, I normally get in bed pretty early because I like to just watch YouTube videos for hours. I try and do the 5-minute journal morning and night. In the morning, you say what you're grateful for, what make today great, and then affirmations. And then at night, you talk about like what amazing things happened. So since it's night, I'll say what amazing things happened today. So I filmed a video this morning, a makeup tutorial. I edited it, so being productive, I guess. I spent quality time with Adia. We made dinner. That was amazing. And now I'm at home early and I feel great and comfortable and am ready to hop in bed. I'm FaceTiming Adia.
Hey guys, I just got out of the shower. Know how it is, trying to be all nice and smelling good.
It's nice and smelling good. Guys, this is literally our night routine. I leave him and we FaceTime immediately after. And he always asks me to come sleep over. Okay, I'm gonna finish my night routine now. Bye. It's poor connection. I wanted to start the camera because I want to show you guys my lights. Ready? How vibey is this? My every night thing. I turn on these red lights. It's supposed to be really good for sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some videos, drink my tea. When I'm done eating or drinking anything, I take these pills called Bye Bye Bloat. It's just so I can go to the bathroom in the morning because I have difficulties. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your night routine is, how you wind down, go to sleep, because everyone has different ways and it's all very helpful to know all the ways. If you guys see these lines on me, I don't know why it's like that. I think it's like, I'm really unsure, but hopefully it doesn't bother you. Follow my Instagram, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Yeah, love you guys so much. Have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.